different box braid hairstyle.
Oh, hold up. But you don't need to wear all of them on your hair at the same time. They go on different days.
So stay tuned to see the looks. So let's get into the video. So y'all, for our first hairstyle, we have the down look. But I think you're ready to see the different cute hairstyles. So let's get into the real hairstyles. So for people who don't know how to do the swoop, this is the tutorial for you. So first you just pick out a few braids in the front. Basically just swoop them over your head and make sure they're covering your ear so they can actually look like a swoop. If you do them behind your ears, it's not really gonna be a swoop and your ear is gonna be sticking out. Then on the other side, you take like 2 or 3 braids at the front and you pin that behind your ear and put it to the back of your head. Once it's at the back of your head like this, you just take a ponytail holder and then tie it behind you. And then boom, when you turn around, you have a swoop. And if you're trying to put it in a ponytail or anything, you just put that little ponytail in the back inside the ponytail as well, like so. Okay y'all, to achieve this look, we separated the hair from the rubber band. And you can also use ponytail holders like Kady did, or you can use rubber bands like I did. Here's a tutorial on how to do the hearts. First, make sure you have 2 rubber bands. So what you do is you're going to have a braid out of the hairstyle that you have in, and then you take that braid, fold it, and then put a rubber band right there on the top. Then you're going to bring it to the other side and then make the heart as fat or skinny as you want it to be. Put that side to the bottom. Then you're going to take the second rubber band and put it at the bottom of the heart. Then adjust the heart to your liking. And boom, there you have it. A little close up to the heart. So y'all, say if your hair is growing and you can tell by your braids it being super long right here, or you just don't even feel like doing your edges, you can put on a nice scarf. Cute. So if you're wondering what edge control that we use for our edges, we use Edge Booster. It's a strong, cold, water-based edge control. We also have an edge brush instead of a toothbrush because it's more hard. Yeah, you can use a toothbrush if you want to, if you like the softer feel on your edges. For example, Klir likes a softer feel, so she gets a toothbrush. And then if your edges are a little on the thinner side, or if you are a person that has graying hair, then you can use this this black edge control and basically gives like a black tint to your edges when you do them. Here's a few tips to care for your box braids and help your hair grow while they are in the process of a protective hairstyle. You can use some oil. Basically, just take some oil and put it through your scalp. You can use like olive oil, argan oil, castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, any oil, okay? Just make sure it is the right oil for you. So, instead of just sleeping with your bed in the cotton, you need to sleep with a bonnet. The silk protects your hair. It doesn't rip out your hair. That's what cotton does. It likes to rip your hair. Use a silk or satin bottle. Also, to even better moisturize your hair, you can use some conditioner and put it in a spray bottle and add some water and then just spray that on your hair every day. And you will see the result when your hair grows. Healthy hair after you take out your box braids. Also, when you wash your hair, there are going to be some dirt knots in there. Yeah, if you look close. So to take those out, all you have to do is spray with some conditioner and then separate it. Make sure you do that before you wash your hair. Yes, and when you are separating, probably just don't do it with your hands. It also helps if you have a detangler brush. Do you know when you are watching our video, you probably saw us do swoop and 2 braids? Well, it goes vice versa or just regular. So right now, I could be wearing it with a swoop or with 2 braids in the front. Yeah, just when you do your hair, be creative with it. I don't feel like I'm doing too much. I'm being extra with this. No, you're not. Box braids are a way to be creative. Express yourself through your hair. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the notifications.
I hope y'all all like our hairstyles.
Make sure you subscribe and push the notifications. It's the little bell.
Like this tiny.
Hey y'all, thank you so much for 30,000 subscribers. We are going up from here. Right. The sky is the limit. So stay tuned for new uploads in the future like this. HersheKissis out.
Dear black girl, it's your style, your smile, the way you light up a room when you walk in, because your skin is coated in melanin.